Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing good. Okay, myself Janani. I'm working as the IT support executive in Missan IT Solutions. This week we are all going to see about the one of the important topic is mainframe technology. Okay, let's come on guys. We'll be into the topic and get more knowledge about the mainframe technology. It is called as the big ion. Why it is called as big ion? It means it is the high performance computer used for large scale, and it is a greater availability and the security than small scale machines. That's why it is called as a big ion, and sometimes it is called as the supercomputer also. Then, what is meant by mainframe? Is nothing but it is the large scale computer system, and it is designed to handle the large amount of data to store, and the data serves designed to process 1 trillion web transactions daily, and the computer can support thousands of input and output devices simultaneously to serve thousands of users. And the most mainframe computers are sold by IBM, and the operating systems are also provided by the IBM. Then what do mainframes do means they act as the data warehouse to store the data, and it is help enforce authentication and access permissions. It means we can securely to store the data and allocate the processor time and the resources. Then the futures of mainframe. Mainframe is the act of many several to act of futures. First one is the multi-processing capabilities and the high processing power and strong security. It means no one can to hack the data and no interruptions in the functioning, and tightly coupled clustering technology. And mainframe workloads. There are two workloads. One is the batch processing, another one is the online processing. First, batch processing is nothing but is the process occurs without user interactions. It's a backend job. This job is submitted of the computer that the job read and process the data is like bulk only, such as the computer billing statement. This is once we can input the data, and the program can be written. After that some time it will be execute the program and get the output. But in that online transaction processing, the transaction process can occur interact with the end users. It's not like that batch process. It is interact with the end users, and the immediate response time is usually less than a second, which means for example like ATM machines and supermarkets, for example online transaction processing. And the mainframe skills what we can have means a COBOL and JCL, that means job control language, and database management, and the CICS, that means as customer information control system. Then BSAM is a visual storage access mode. Then mainframe operating systems or ZOS is the main important OS we can use that many of the organizations like IBM. Then another one is the ZVM, virtual machine, and ZBSE. Z, which means zero downtime. So ZBSE, virtual storage, and ZEPF and Linux. The mainframe operating system, particularly ZOS, are among the most well-known in that category, and IBM also use that ZOS only. Then and where we can use the mainframe means in finance and banking, we can use that for managing the processing of transactions and accounts and handling and ATM networks. In that purpose we can use the mainframe. And healthcare, in healthcare we can use to managing the patient records and handling bills and insurance information, like that we can use the mainframe technology. And for government agencies, for handling the citizen records and supporting the critical administrative functions, that purpose we can use the mainframe technology in government agencies. And retail and e-commerce, we can use the mainframe technology. for the processing transaction and handling customer data also, and the airline and the transportation that feed also we can use mainframe technology for handling the ticket system and processing the flight data. And telecommunication we can use the managing the network operations. And in lost as a spacecraft, in that spacecraft we can use to navigate the navigation purpose we can use, and any tragedy calculations and control management that field, the mainframe can act as a vital role in the space operations. And that's all. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.